My dear students, today we'll discuss about the chapter of area under the plane curve. It is very important chapter, and in this chapter, gradually we'll read the theory as well as the problems. Theory 1. Area bounded by the region y is equal to fx. This is a region y is equal to fx. Y is equal to 0. Another region. Bounded means there are four bounds. This is upper bound. This is lower bound. Y is equal to fx. Y is equal to 0. And x is equal to a. This is left bound. And x is equal to b, right bound. Now this is a closed curve. We have to find the area, and the very simple formula is there. Area of this part y is equal to fx, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, 2x is equal to b is y dx का integration from a to b, or y dx. If I will take the name of x, this part is x1, this is x2, area is y dx integration from x1 to x2. Okay, now we will do some problems. See the exercise number 10k. So exercise 1a, y is equal to e to the power x. Find area bounded by the curve y is equal to e to the power x, y is equal to 0, from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. Now look at here, y is equal to e to the power x, it is the curve. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means you have to do x axis, means dx must be there, y dx. For y is equal to 0, the formula must be y dx, remember it. Y dx का integration a to b. This is the curve y is equal to e to the power x. This is the line y is equal to 0, means x axis. This is x is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 4. And the area is y dx integration a to b, that is to e to the power x dx integration 2 to 4. Then you have to find the value e to the power x integration e to the power x 2 to 4, e to the power 4 minus e to the power 2. Okay. For question number 2, the curve is y is equal to e to the power x. From y is equal to x square, y is equal to 0. From y is equal to 0, it is very clear that dx is there. That is formula is y dx. Y dx. From y is equal to 0, again I am telling, from y is equal to 0, that is x axis. The formula is y dx. From x is equal to 1 to x is equal to what? Not given. There must be 2x and 2y. Now look at here, when x is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0, that means x square is 0. X square is 0 implies x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0, another is x is equal to 1. Which one? This is the lower part, this is upper part. X is equal to a is the lower, x is equal to 1 is the upper. Now find the area bounded by y is equal to x square, y is equal to 0. From x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. That is x is equal to, here x is equal to 0, that is a. X is equal to b, that is the x is equal to 1, that is b. Area is what? Y dx का integration a to b, that is x square dx का integration 0 to 1. Then it is x square by 3, 0 to 1, 1 by 3. Another question, look at here. Xy is equal to a square. Find the area bounded by xy is equal to a square, y is equal to 0, x is equal to alpha, x is equal to beta. This is your a and this is your b. As given, beta is greater than alpha, so it is your b and it is your a, which is greater than 0. X, y is equal to a square. A square means which is always positive. Always positive means suppose xy is equal to k. K means positive. X and y, multiplication of two number is positive. A square means positive. That means both x positive, y positive. That is in first quadrant. Another, both must be negative. X negative, y negative. Then the result is also negative. So the curve is this, like this. Why this? Remember your Boyle's law, where volume and pressure varies inversely proportional. That is PV is equal to K. In that case, this is the curve. One increases, another decreases. If one increases, another decreases. PV is equal to constant. Similarly, x, y is equal to a square. Now what is area? Area is y dx integration a to b. What is y? It is a square by x dx. A to b means alpha to beta. Then you have to integrate and put the value, you will get the answer. Okay? It's very easy. You can do it. Now fourth bit. Y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to 0. X is not given and x is equal to pi by 2. So, as it is given y is equal to 0. So the formula is y dx integration from a to b. Now when y is equal to 0, that is sin x 0, x is equal to 0. So the total entire question converts to which form? Y is equal to sin x, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, 2x is equal to pi by 2, here it is a, here it is b, here area formula y dx integration a to b, y dx means sin x dx integration 0 to pi by 2, so result is 1. Okay. Now look at the theorem 2, that is area bounded by x is equal to fy, x is equal to 0, from y is equal to a to y is equal to b. This area is what? That area is x is equal to fy, that is x is equal to fy is this curve, x is equal to 0 is y axis, from y is equal to a to y is equal to b. Area is x dy integration a to b, that is fy dy integration a to b. Now exercise number 1 problem. Find area enclosed by y is equal to e to the power x, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, from y is equal to 2 to y is equal to 3. Look at here, x is equal to 0 means here it is dy. Okay, formula is what? X dy ka integration from a to b, a means 2, b means 3, x dy. What is x? If y is equal to e to the power x, then x is equal to ln y. Remember it. It is very important part. So ln y dy 2 to 3, and you have to do this by parts method, and I am doing it directly, but you have to do in examination hall. You first do the definite integral ln y, that is y ln y minus y 2 to 3, that is put 3 here, 3 ln 3 minus 3 minus 2 ln 2 minus 2, minus minus plus 2, and it becomes 3 ln 3 ln 3 cube minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, minus 2 ln 2, that is ln 2 square, ln 27 minus ln 4 plus ln e. Okay, this is ln a minus ln b. Ln a minus ln b is what? Ln a by b, and it is ln 4 plus 1. In place of 1 I am writing ln a. Ln a plus ln b, I am taking minus common, ln a plus ln b, ln a b. It is ln a minus ln b, ln a by b. Okay, now look at another problem, that is y square is equal to x, from x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 to y is equal to question mark. When x is equal to 0, x means y square is 0, y is 0, that is the entire question converts to y square x is equal to x, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 0. But you have to put this is as your a and that is as your b, because it is the lower value, it is the greater value. Okay, integration area is x dy ka integration a to b, x means y square dy ka integration 0 to 1, that is y3 by 3 0 to 1, it is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now another question, xy is equal to a square, from x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means you have to know it is y axis, y is equal to alpha to y is equal to beta, area is equal to x dy ka integration y1 to y2, that is x dy, x means a square by y, x is what? A square by y into dy alpha to beta, that is a square by y, alpha is smaller value by 1 and it is greater value, so it is beta, a square by y dy alpha to beta, and you should do it by yourself. Now look at another problem, that is y square is equal to x cube, from x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, another y is not given. Okay, when x 0, y, when x is equal to 0, that is x cube is also 0, when you cube this part, when you cube 0 it becomes 0, and x cube is y square 0 means y 0. So the entire this question converts to which form? Now y square is equal to x cube, x is equal to 0, means it is not given. Y is equal to 1 given, y is equal to another value not given, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, this is y1, this is y2. X is equal to 0 means y axis, area is x dy ka integration y1 to y2. Why y1 to y2? As it is which axis? Y axis. So it is x dy y1 to y2 integration 0 to 1 y to the power 2 by 3 dy is equal to y to the power 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 0 to 1, then 3 by 5 y to the power 5 by 3 0 to 1, that is 3 by 5 units. Okay, it is question number 3. We have to determine the area within the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and this is your ellipse, and this is major axis, this is x axis, this is y axis, it is y is equal to 0, x axis, y axis means x 0. If when y is equal to 0, x is what? When y is equal to 0, x is a, that is x square by a square is equal to a square, x is equal to a, and a 0, this is 0b, and area, total area is 4, area of OAB, total area is equal to area, the edge it is symmetric, first is it is edge symmetric to both axes, edge symmetric to both axes. So area, total area is equal to 4 into area of OAB, that is 4, 0 to a. Why 0 to a? Look at here, it is 0 0 0 0, major axis length 2a, so this is coordinate a0, minor axis length b, so it is 0b. Now look at here, it is your x1 and it is your x2. Which one is smaller? This is smaller, this is greater. So x1 to x2, that is 0 to a, y dx. Where is y? X square by a square plus y square by b square 1, y square by b square 1 minus x square by a square. So a square minus x square by a square, y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So y is equal to b by a into a square minus x square, b by a square minus x square whole root over, that is 4, b by will come outside, a square minus x square whole root over dx 0 to a, that is 4b by a x by 2, and when you will integrate it, it becomes the formula, you know the formula, a square minus x square root over dx, x by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a 0 to a. Put the upper limit, it becomes 0, it is a square by 2, it is 0, then it becomes a square by 2 sin inverse 1, then put this 0, it becomes 0, 0 by 2 into something 0, then 0 a square by 2 sin inverse 0, sin inverse 0 is 0, so total result becomes 4b by a into a square by 2 into sin inverse 1 is pi by 2, result is pi ab. Okay. Now another problem, find area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. Now what is x square plus y square minus 2x? Solve it. X square minus 2x, add a square here, plus y square, keep constant, is equal to 0, means 0. Here you add a square, then you add a square here, it becomes x minus a ka whole square plus y square is equal to a square, write it x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 ka whole square is equal to a square, that is y is equal to what? A square minus x minus a whole square root over. Now center is what? A0, radius is what? A. Equation of the circle x minus h square y minus k square is equal to r square, center is hk. We know if equation of circle is this, then center is hk, radius is r. Okay, this is your circle, this is your circle. What is that circle? Look at here, center is what? Center is a0, center is a0, it is given, center a0, it is a0, radius a, if you will go to right side a, it becomes 2a0, and the upper part 0a. Now area of the circle y, as it is symmetric about both this, so what you have to do? find equation of this part, then multiply it 4 and 4 x1 to 4 y dx का integration x1 to x2 4 what is y, and I have told you already this is your y is what, a square minus x minus a whole square into derivative of x minus a, that is 4, and the result is what, the result is x minus a by 2 a square minus x minus a whole square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x minus a by a to 2a. Put the upper limit, if you will put it becomes 2a minus a by 2, and this becomes a square minus 2a minus a. 2a minus a means a square minus a square 0. When you will put 0 here, a here, it becomes 0, and when you will put 2a here, then it becomes when you will put 2a here, 2a minus a by 2, that is a by 2, put here a square minus 2a minus a whole square, that is a square minus a square, plus it is 2a minus a is a by a is what, a by a square by a when you will put 2a, it becomes what, it becomes a square by 2 sin inverse a square by 2 sin inverse 2a minus a by a, that is a by a, minus put this a here, a minus a means 0, so it becomes what, 0 into something, that is it is 0 by 2 a square minus this is 0 square, that is a square root over a. When we will put 0 here, it becomes a minus a, that is 0, sin inverse 0 is 0. So total result is 4 a square by 2, this is sin inverse 1, the result of sin inverse 1 is pi by 2, it is pi a square. Okay, theory for question number 3. Theory is that area of a region which is symmetric about both axes, means this is suppose a figure which is symmetric about this x-axis and symmetric about y-axis. Then what is the total area? Total area in this case, first find the quarter part, area of this quarter part, then multiply it by 4. How you will know that it is symmetric about both axes? Since it is x square plus, suppose a form is x square plus y square is equal to 16. Here x has power even, y has power even. If both x and y have power, both x and y have only even power, then it is symmetric about both axes. Okay, now suppose we have to find a area of the region like this. Suppose this is a figure, it is called as y square is equal to 4x, and it is x-axis. Okay, it is the figure of y square is equal to 4x. In this case, area of this region is equal to 2 times area of this region, 2 times area of the semi part. Semi means half part. Okay, how you will know it is symmetric about x-axis? If x has even power, if y has even power, implies symmetric about x-axis, about x-axis. Then how you will know? Suppose I am putting x is equal to 1 here, then y square is equal to 4. If y square is equal to 4, then y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, means coordinate is 1 2, and this is 1 minus 2. This is symmetric about x-axis, means the figure कैसा होगा? ऊपर जितना होगा नीचे वाला भी उतना होगा. So it is symmetric about x-axis. If y has power even, then it is symmetric about x-axis. Okay. Area of the portion bounded by y square is equal to 4x about bounded by the double ordinate through 3 0. Suppose this is the figure, y square is equal to 4x. How you will know it? When x 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is what? Y square is equal to 4. So y is plus or minus 2. So point is 1 2 here, 1 2. It is 1 0, it is 1 2, then it is 1 minus 2. Similarly, when for the point 2 0, it is 2 2 root 2, it is 2 minus 2 root 2. So here the question is to find the area of the region of having double ordinate at the point 3 0. Means when you put x is equal to 3 to this parabola y square is equal to 4x, you get y square is equal to 12, then y is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3, that is 3 comma 2 root 3, means 3 2 root 3, 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay, we have to find this area, that is area of OBC, which is nothing but the area of OAB, which is equal to 2 into x1 to x2 y dx का integration, 2 times y dx का integration x1 to x2, 2 times y dx. What is y dx? Y dx means it is 2 root x dx from x1 to x2. x1 is what? It is x1 is 0 and x2 is what? 3. Means 0 to 3, 2 root x dx. Then after integration you get the result. Okay. Next, number 4. Here the question determine the area of the region bounded by y square is equal to xs q and the double ordinate through 2 0. Here this is the figure of y square is equal to xq. Why this figure is this? When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, you get what? Y square is equal to 1. Y square is equal to 1 means y is equal to plus or minus 1. Means 1 minus 1, 1 and it is 1 minus 1. 1, 1 and 1 minus 1. Now we have to find area of this portion. It is nothing but the area of this portion 2 times area of this portion. That is 2 into area of OAB. Means area of this part is equal to 2 times area of this portion. That is y dx का integration x1 to x2. Y dx means y is what? Y is x to the power 3 by 2 dx. From x1 to x2. x1 means what? x1 means 0, x2 means what? x2 means 2, from 0 to 2, x to the power 3 by 2 dx. That is 2 into x to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2, 0 to 2. That is 2 5 by 2 means that is 4 by 5, x to the power 5 by 2, 0 to 2. Then you will get this answer. Okay. Next. Now it is a theory for problem number 4. That is, if this is a curve y is equal to y1 and it is a curve y is equal to y2, y is equal to y1 curve is above on the curve of y is equal to y2, and we have to find the area between from x is equal to x1 to x is equal to x2, from y is equal to y2 to y is equal to y1. Then area of this region, this shaded region, is equal to y1 minus y2. y1 dx का integration x1 to x2, it is x1, this point is x2. Area is equal to y1 dx का integration x1 to x2 means total area from this to this minus y2 dx का integration from x1 to x2, that is this part. Total part minus this part is area of the shaded region, that is equal to area y1 minus y2 dx from x1 to x2. This is one part of your theory. Another part, area of the bounded region y is equal to y1, y is equal to y2, where they intersect at a point x is equal to c. Suppose this is a curve y is equal to y1. This is a curve y is equal to y2, y is equal to y2, and we have to find the area from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Suppose they intersect at the point C, then the required area is area of this part plus area of this part. The area of this part is y, this part in this part from a to c y2 is greater than y1. मतलब क्या है, y2 curve is above the curve y1, so its area is y2 minus y1 dx का इंटीग्रेशन from a to c, from this part to this, plus area of the curve y1 minus y2 dx from c to b. Okay. And you have to remember at c y1 curve is equal to y2 curve. Now part 3 is what? Part 3 is area of this curve. This curve, to find the area of this portion, what we have to do? We have to find the area of OAB. This area is positive marked because if above y-axis, then area is positive. If it is below the y-axis, you have to take the negative sign so that it becomes positive in future. Area of OAB minus area of BCD. Okay, this is the theoretical part, and applying these theories will do the problems from number 4I, that is area of the region into which the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 is divided by the line x plus root 3y is equal to 2. First, here the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4, means x minus 0 square y minus 0 square is equal to 2 square. We know area of the circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Then center is hk, radius is r. Here what happens? Here center is what? Center is 0 0 because x minus h is 0, y minus k is 0. That is center is 0 0. Radius is equal to 2. Here radius is 2. When the circle is x square for the point of intersection, how we have to find the point of intersection? Here equation of circle is x square plus y square, and the line is x plus root 3y is 2. From this find y. Y is what? 2 minus x by root 3, and put this value of y in this equation. It becomes x square plus 2 minus x by root 3 whole square is equal to 4. This is x square plus 2 minus x का whole square कितना होगा? 2 minus x whole square. This is 4 plus x square minus 4x by 3. So for this what you have to apply? You have to 4 minus x 2 minus x whole square by root 3 का square 3a. So multiply 3 in all sides. Then it becomes 3x square, and it becomes 2 minus x whole square. It is 4 plus x square minus 4x is equal to what? Is equal to, it is 12. It is 12. So taking one side, it becomes 4x square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 2 0, and it becomes what? X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is what? 2, and x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, because you have y is equal to what? 2 minus x by root 3, which we have given. Applying this, when x is equal to 2, y is 0. When x is equal to minus 1, this becomes 3. When x is equal to minus 1, becomes 3, so it becomes root 3. So one point is point of intersection is 2 0, that is another is minus 1 root 3. Now look at the figure. This is the circle, and this is the straight line. straight line is x plus root 3y. The name of this straight line is x plus root 3y is equal to 2. Name of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to what? Is equal to 4, and the point of intersection is 2 0 and minus 1 root 3, and we have to find this area. What is this area? Now look at the shaded part. Area of this shaded part, that is ACB. Which one is above? Above is this circle, below is the straight line. So y1 minus y2. So when we will take y1, we have to take the y of the circle, that is 4 minus x square root over. When we will take y2, that is the part of the straight line, that is 2 minus x by root 3, and we have to integrate from minus 1 to 2. So the area of the minus 1 to 2, and the formula of a square minus x square dx ka integration x by 2 4 minus x square root over plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by 2 from minus 1 to 2 minus 1 by root 3, it is a 2x minus 2 dx ka integration 2x minus x square by 2, and you have to put the upper part of the limit minus the lower part of the limit, then put upper part of the limit, then lower part of the limit. You get the answer 4 pi by 3 minus root 3. Okay, now rest area. This is the rest area. Is area of the circle minus area of SCB. That is pi into area of circle, you know, pi r square. Here radius is 2, so pi into 2 square minus 4 pi by root 3 minus root 3. Answer is this. Okay. Now next, look at the question number second bit. That is area 4 number second bit. Area of the region between the curves y is equal to cos x, y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x, bounded by x is equal to 0. Now area of the required region is y1 minus y2 y1 minus y2 dx ka integration from x1 to x2. For the point of intersection, sin x should equal to cos x, so tan x is equal to 1, x is equal to pi by 4. As the region starts from x is equal to 0, so x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to pi by 4. y1 minus y2 dx ka integration pi x1 to x2, that is 0 to pi by 4. x1 means cos x minus sin x dx. Cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x है, sin x का इंटीग्रेशन minus cos x है. So it is sin x plus cos x 0 to pi by 4. Applying this, you get the area is as your root 2 minus 1. Okay. Take this photograph. Okay. For the previous problem, number 4, first bit. Next, look at number 4, third bit. Find the area bounded by two parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4ay, which is very, very important for your exam point of view. This is the parabola. This is the parabola of y square is equal to 4x, and this is the parabola of x square is equal to 4y. For point of intersection, first we have to find the point of intersection. X square is equal to 4a, y is equal to x square by 4a, and we have y square is equal to 4x. In place of y square, put this x square by 4a ka whole square, that is x fourth by 16a square is equal to 4ax. Then multiply. It is x fourth is equal to 64aqx. That is taking one side, x into xq minus 64aq is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, xq is equal to 64aq, x is equal to 4a. When x is equal to 0, as y is equal to x square by 4a, when x is equal to 0, y is what? 0. Another, when x is equal to 4a, apply here. X is equal to 4a, it is 16a square by 4a square, 4a, that is 4a. So the point of intersection is 0, 0 and 4a, 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 4a. Now required area is equal to what? y2 minus y1 integration from x1 to x2. y2 minus y1. y2 means what? y2 means what? 2. y2 means what? Look at here. Here it is y1. Here it is y2. Sorry. Here it is the upper part is y1 and the lower part is y2. This black mark is your y1. Y is what? 4ax ka root over. That is 2 root a root x. Here it is written 2 root a root x. Where is the lower part? Lower part. The y is what? X square by 4a. So it is x square by 4a. So now integration of root x is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 4a and 1 by 4a, x square ka integration x 3 by 3, 0 to 4a. Then apply 4a here, put 4a, 4a to the power 3 by 2. That is 4 to the power 3 by 2, which is 4 to the power 3 by 2, which is 8, and a to the power 3 by 2 is here, and here root a into a to the power 3 by 2. In future it becomes a square. Now look at the calculation, it becomes 16 by 3 a square. Now the last problem, determine the area common to the parabola y square is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2x. First we have to find the area of, we have to find the point of intersection of two curves. X square plus y square is equal to 2x. X square plus in place of y square put x. Why? If you will put, it becomes easy. X square plus x is equal to 2x. X square minus x is equal to 0. X into x minus 1 0. So x is equal to 0. Another x is equal to 1. When x 0, as x is equal to y square. Sorry, I have not given you the picture. Sorry. I am telling you again. Now y square is equal to x and x square plus y square is equal to 2x are two curves. To find the point of intersection, put this y square in this place. It becomes x square plus x is equal to 2x. Y square ka in place of y square put x. Then solve x into x minus 1 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. When x 0, as x is equal to y square is 0, y is 0. When x is equal to 1, as x is equal to y square, so y square is equal to 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. So the point of intersection is 0 plus or 0 0 and another is 1 plus or minus 1. That is the point of intersection is 0 0 1 1 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is what? Look at the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 2x. X square minus 2x plus y square 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. X minus 1 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to 1. Here center is 1 0 and radius is 1. Okay, now this is a circle. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to x. That is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 square is equal to 1. So center is 1 0 and point of intersection, one is 0 0, another is 1 1, another is 1 minus 1. Look at the parabola which is y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. Why the drawing is this? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. So it is looking like this. This is parabola, this is circle, and this is the common area. Okay, this part is your common area. So to find the common area, first we have to circle, we have to find the area of this shaded portion, and from area of the circle minus this shaded portion, we will get the required area. Area of the marked region is equal to 2 times area of OAC. OAC, that is area of OAC is what? Y1 minus y2 dx integration from x1 to x2. 2 times. Look at here. that is 2. What is y1? The circle which is above the portion which is above the region, that is circle. Circle is what? We know as I have written it everything here. Y1 is circle, y2 is parabola. As x circle, the equation of circle x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 1. So y square is 1 minus x minus 1 square. So its root over is y, that is 1 minus x minus 1 square root over 0 to 1. Then minus what? y2. y2 is parabola 0 to 1 root x dx. Now apply the formula a square minus x square. Apply the formula a square minus x square, which is equal to a square minus box square d box is equal to box by 2 a square minus box square plus a square by 2 sin inverse box by. It is x minus 1 by 2, 1 minus x minus 1 square plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 1. It is not 2, it is 1. Minus 2 x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. It becomes, when you put this one, this part becomes 0. When you put here, it becomes also 0. When you put 0 here, it becomes minus 1, but it becomes 0. That's why it is written here. Plus half. When you will put here 0, it becomes sin inverse minus 1. And in place of 4 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, you put 1 here first, then subtract 0. This becomes 2, and this part is also 0. It becomes half sin inverse minus pi by 2. Sin inverse minus 1 means pi minus pi by 2. Minus minus is plus. That means it becomes plus half into pi by 2. 2 is there. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. It becomes what? Pi by 2. 2 into pi by 4. That is pi by 2 minus 4 by 3. Required area is equal to area of the circle minus area of the shaded region. Area of the circle is what? Pi r square. R square means 1 square. Minus area of the shaded region. It is pi by 2 minus 4 by 3. Pi minus pi by 2 plus 4 by 3. It is pi by 2 plus 4 by 3. Okay. In next video, I will teach you about the chapter differential equation.